Hi, my name's Caroline, and for Tips and Tricks Tuesday, I'm going to be giving you my social media secrets. First things first, you need to have a aesthetically unique Instagram that defines who you are as a stylist, so that when people come to your Instagram, they know exactly what kind of work you like to do and what kind of stylist you are. The next thing is posting a variety of pictures depicting what kind of work you like to do. So if you have a nice variety of clients that have brunettes and blondes and red hair, be sure to post all of that at different times so that your feed isn't full of only blondes, because those first 9 pictures are what your new clients are going to see as soon as they visit your page. Now, the hardest part with Instagram is being consistent in your posting. Now, the way I go about overcoming that is I use an app called Planula, and what that allows me to do is plan my week out. So this is actually my feed as I've planned it, and I can add in pictures to it, and I'll choose my favorite ones from the week. And when you crop your photos on Planula, it actually allows the app to automatically upload these. So on my days off, on Sunday or Monday, I'll go through and I'll upload all of my favorite pictures from the week, and I can move them around based on how I like the feel of it. And I go in, I actually have all of my hashtags saved, so that's an easy part that's already taken care of for me. I go ahead, I will schedule that, and that's it. That way, when you're behind the chair and when life gets really busy, you don't even have to worry about what you're gonna post on Instagram, because it's all already taken care of for you, and that's the hardest part. So have a unique Instagram that speaks to who you are as a person, so all of your potential clients know what they're gonna get. Post a wide variety of all of your work so that you're not just posting all of your favorite blondes. Really be sure to post everything, and then plan everything out in advance so you don't have to take care of the hard part. The app will do it for you. That's it for Tips and Tricks Tuesday, so be sure to stay tuned next week for more tips and tricks. Bye!
Hi, Candy Shaw, the Bali Llama here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or go to sunlightsbalayage.com to learn more about our classes. But don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications of all the fresh new ideas, tips, and tricks that we release every week. Thanks for tuning in. See you out there.